This is John with WTI, and lately I've been getting into being a tea guy. All right, I was coffee guy, but now I'm going into tea guy because I have to constantly be speaking and talking and doing video calls and speaking for my videos in WTI. And I found this guy, this twinning infuso of strawberry and mango. So at first, when I saw this flavor, I was like, I don't know about this. But once you get to try it and you see some difference and you're like, wow, this actually tastes pretty good. So you get excited about waking up, going and get your tea in the morning so you can soothe your throat and you can start speaking like the whole day, like most of the times I do. Once you grow older and you mature, you start making those days your highlights. So this is the highlight of the day, just waking up and go and grab your tea. So I go heavy with this, guys. I do 2 tea bags, not just one. So my tea will have a really strong feeling. So if you're looking for it to try a great flavor of this infusion, strawberry and mango by Phoenix, just great. Grab it. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.